AMCO, we always believe in the power of innovation to enrich everyday life. And that belief continues to drive us as we work alongside global brands like Anchor to bring world-class technology and experiences to Filipinos. Today, many of us rely on Anchor products in our daily lives, whether for work, travel, entertainment, or during critical moments when dependable power and connectivity matter most. None of us none of this would have been possible without the support of all of you, our friends from the media, our creators, and the entire, most especially our valued retail partners, and the entire community who have trusted and supported us through the years. As we celebrate this milestone, we are excited for what lies ahead, and we look forward to bringing even more innovation and meaningful experiences to Filipinos in the years to come. Thank you once again for being here, and now let's begin our celebration. Please direct our attention to the screen for a special message from my co-director and President of AMCO, Ryan Tan.
Welcome and thank you for joining us today to celebrate a milestone that is truly fruitful. 15 years of Anchor EV. Our journey has always been shaped by strong partnerships and a shared passion for innovation. Throughout the years, these collaborations have allowed our company to grow into a leading force in consumer electronics, continuously bringing meaningful technology closer to Filipino consumers. Among these partnerships, our 11-year collaboration with Anchor stands as one of our proudest milestones. Together, we've worked toward a common vision, bringing world-class innovation into Filipino homes, workplaces, and everyday lifestyles. We are honored to serve as the bridge that makes these innovations more accessible to every Filipino, transforming cutting-edge technology into something practical, reliable, and essential for daily life. And today, here at Glorieta, we invite everyone to experience these innovations firsthand, to discover how technology can make life easier, more seamless, and even more enjoyable. And of course, no celebration will be complete without exciting prizes. We hope you enjoy the special promos, interactive activities, and prizes we have prepared for you today. So guys, thank you once again